So I took the M5 to Bradenton Motorsports Parkway. This is also the same location where the Freedom Factory is. I'm sure everyone knows the Freedom Factory. Place that Cleetus bought. And this is where he does all his drag racing too. It's a cool little spot here with my main man, Mr. Bash. And we're gonna go check it out. Oh yeah, look, I wonder who that is in the Tesla. Freedom Factory's got electronic gates. Ooh, fancy. A little different from the last time I came. Cool. Track ready. What's cool is you could actually drive the whole property. That's where the Freedom Factory is. There's a field, farmer's field at the end. And then there you have it. And essentially, oh, there it is. That's the end of the drag strip. Yeah, boy. And that's where you go if you overshoot. There's Cleetus McFarland, Freedom Factory. Definitely got something going on over there right now. Cool.
9 seconds at 139.
Two Toyota Supras.
I'm gonna go for the black one.
Okay, yeah, I think the black one. Look at the back tires on the black one.
Look at the engine. Look at under the engine, right there.
Yeah, it's exhaust. Titanium by the looks of it.
Thank you so much.
What? Nice, dude. Let's see. Oh yeah, boy. Hell yeah. How cool is that guy? Everything Honda Civic Type R. Tortuga. What do you guys reckon? Roll race? I guess some BRZ. Who knows who's gonna win? Let's see how fast it goes. Supra versus Mustang. Supra for the win. Supra versus Audi S4. Supra for the win. By quite a bit. RS5 versus Supra. Supra for the win. Nice silver M3. These two right here. This BMW 335 is fast, but this Saturn here, I think this is Solstice maybe. This thing is fast. Beamer really went that time. 141, 145, damn, not bad. We're the fastest two out here today. Way faster than Mustangs, anyway. FYI, if you want to do some pulls at Bradenton, this is all you need: a helmet, a must-wear seatbelt, chin strap must be worn, long pants, long sleeves, no flip-flops, driving license, sign a waiver, piece of cake. Mustangs, Cadillac CTSV. The CTS barely had it. Okay, going home from Bradenton. What do you think about the drag strip, Bash?
Good. I got a hat from there, and there was a bunch of cool cars, but Dad's car was probably cooler and faster.
You're right about that one. And there we go. Bing, bing, that legendary BMW sound. Check engine light for grease emissions. There you go. That's all good. Should we go again? We should race next time though, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
Let's do it.
I'll remind you.
Okay. Another reason why I love Florida.